In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero bank feeds. Managing your finances requires rigorous record keeping and constant tracking of transactions. Thankfully, accounting software like Xero simplifies this by allowing you to directly link your bank account, making it easier to monitor balances, transactions, and reconcile accounts in real time. So, if you're ready to streamline your financial management process, let's dive into how you can connect your bank feeds to Xero swiftly and securely. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Xero website. This is your gateway to a more organized financial management journey. Once the homepage loads, take a glance at the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a login button waiting for your click. This small step is your entry point to connecting your bank feeds, so go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking the login button, a new page will appear, prompting you to enter your email and password. This is a critical step for ensuring that the person attempting to access the account is indeed you. So take a moment to accurately input your login details, checking to minimize any typos. Remember, your email and password are the keys to your financial castle, so handle them with care. After you've filled in your email and password, it's time to press the login button and officially step into your Xero dashboard. Let the finance management journey officially begin. Once inside, your next destination is the accounting tab. This area of Xero is crucial as it serves as the nerve center for all your accounting tasks. To get there, simply locate and click on the accounting tab. This navigation is straightforward, but it marks a significant leap toward getting your bank feeds up and running. With the accounting area now in view, the next step involves clicking on Bank Accounts. This action is your pathway to directly managing your bank accounts from within Xero. It's like opening a door to a room where all your bank accounts can be viewed and managed under one roof. Take a moment to click on Bank Accounts and bring yourself one step closer to connectivity. The magic really begins when you click on Add Bank Account. This option is designed to extend a hand to your bank, inviting it onto the Xero platform. It's a gesture that sets the stage for a seamless partnership between your bank and your accounting software. So go ahead and make that click with confidence. Now it's time to bring your bank into the mix. Here you'll be prompted to search for your bank. This step is akin to setting up a meet and greet between Xero and your bank. Start typing the name of your bank into the search field and you'll likely find it pop up. Following your bank selection, Xero will ask you to provide your bank details and the specific account you wish to connect. This step is all about establishing a secure and direct line of communication between your bank account and Xero. It's a moment of commitment where you're entrusting Xero with access to your financial activities for the sake of better management. Take your time to accurately provide the necessary details, taking care to double check what you've entered. And that's it. You've now walked through the process of connecting your bank feeds to Xero. This connectivity is an essential step towards more efficient financial management, allowing for real-time access to your transactions and balances directly within Xero. Remember, the beauty of this integration lies not just in the convenience, but also in the enhanced capacity for accurate record keeping and financial analysis it offers. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the initial login to the final act of connecting your bank account. Each step is critical in its own right, but remember, should you ever encounter any challenges, Xero's support team is just a few clicks away, ready to assist you. So empower yourself by taking these steps to heart. Connect your bank feeds and take control of your financial management process with Xero. Happy accounting, and remember, efficiency is just a few clicks away.